Everyone, welcome back. In today's video we'll be making delicious Nigerian Ogbono soup. So if you want to learn how I made this beautiful soup, keep watching. Here are some proteins I'll be using to make this soup. In a pot I added my washed cow skin. Then I also add washed Shaki. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? Then I added washed catfish. I'll be adding washed stockfish, seasoned with Knorr seasoning powder, blended onion, and some salt. Then I'll mix everything together, add enough water that will cover the protein. Cover and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. In another pot, add beef. Then season with beef seasoning cube, add salt, mix everything together, then simmer for 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. This is exactly after 5 minutes. I'm going to add some water, then allow this to cook until done and the water dries up. While our proteins are boiling, I'll go ahead to prep other ingredients. Here is a washed crayfish and local beans, that is Okpeh. Then I will add washed Habanero pepper and Cameroon pepper. I'll add small water and blend till smooth. Next is to blend the Ogbono. I've washed and cleaned the Ogbono, so I'll go ahead to blend it at this point. After blending, I will transfer it in a plate and set aside to use later. I quickly check on the protein is almost done, so I'll go in with the blended crayfish. Then I'll add enough water that will cook the soup properly. If you've been watching up to this point, you need to subscribe, okay? Please just subscribe, like this video, share to your friends and your loved ones, and then hit the bell icon so you get to know when I drop a new video. Thank you so much. And to all my returning viewers, God bless you. And to my subscribers, I love you so much. I check on the beef, the water has almost dry, so I will keep it aside to use later. And now I check on the proteins, it's almost done. I take it off the stove, then I place an empty dry pot on the stove, then add palm oil, the quantity that will be enough to make the soup. I'm not going to fry the Ogbono, I just want to heat up the oil to easily melt the Ogbono to prevent lumps. This method enhances the flavor of Ogbono and helps the Ogbono to draw very well. You know that kind of Ogbono that draws now? That is exactly what we are doing. So I place the pot of the protein back on the stove. While the soup is bubbling, I'll gradually add the Ogbono paste. After I've added the Ogbono, I will stir quickly to combine all the ingredients very well. Then cover the lid and allow it to bubble. While that is going on, I will go ahead to slice the vegetable I will use for this soup. I'm using ugu, that is pumpkin leaf, for this. You can equally use washed bitter leaf or spinach, anyone that is available, okay? So at this point, guys, I added the bone bala fish and the beef. I quickly stir it. Then I added a little bit of salt to balance the taste. And then finally I added the sliced ugu and give it a quick stir, allow it to bubble for like a few seconds, and our soup is ready. So guys, you can pair this with any of your favorite fufu either pando, apple, gari, semo, anyone that is available for you and you love to enjoy with delicious Ogbono soup. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.